In this video, I want to show you how to replace the horns. They come as a pair, low and high tone, on this Ford F-150, so let's get started. Open the hood and you'll see the horns located right at the front on the upper radiator support. First I want to unplug them. They both have one electrical connector that they share, so press on the tab and pull this out. Then use a 10mm socket to remove the mounting bolt. Pull it off of this bracket and remove the horns. They're held in here with this tab up top, but there you have it. Set those aside. Line up the new tab, make sure it hooks in there, and thread the bolt in. Tighten it up. Make sure it's nice and snug and they can't come off, and plug them in. Make sure this connector clicks, and now you can test them out.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.